If you don't like hand fatigue but still need precision, then the needle holder Mathieu is your go-to tool. Welcome to Spec Surgical Industry, your trusted manufacturer and exporter of high-quality surgical instruments. Today we're highlighting the needle holder Mathieu, a vital tool for suturing in surgical procedures. Crafted from premium-grade stainless steel, this needle holder offers unparalleled strength and corrosion resistance. Its spring-action design ensures superior control, allowing for precise needle positioning with ease. Plus, the ergonomically designed handles reduce hand fatigue, making it perfect for long surgical procedures. Why choose Spec Surgical Industry? We are committed to providing surgical instrument suppliers and distributors with top-notch products that meet international quality standards. Our instruments guarantee reliable performance in the operating room. Thank you for choosing Spec Surgical Industry for your surgical instrument needs. Subscribe for updates on our product range. For inquiries about the needle holder Mathieu or any of our other products, please reach out to us through the contact details in the description.